Hello guys, welcome back to the era of tech. Today we are exploring a very important electrical phenomena that happens on high voltage power lines, the corona effect. You may have seen a bluish glow or heard a faint buzzing sound near transmission lines. Let's understand what it is, why it happens, and how engineers control it. The corona effect is the ionization of the air surrounding a conductor when the electric field intensity around it exceeds the critical disruptive voltage. In simple terms, when the voltage on transmission line becomes high enough, the air around the conductor breaks down and starts to conduct electricity partially, creating glowing discharge. Corona occurs because of high voltage, small conductor diameter, sharp point or irregular surface, high line loading, bad weather like rainy, foggy, dust, humidity, so are the causes of the corona. When the surface electric field becomes extremely high, it leaps electrons from air molecules, causing ionization. Corona produces several visible and audible effects like bluish or violet glow around the conductors, buzzing or crackling sound, small sparks in several conditions, ozone smell due to ionization, and radio interference on AM or FM bands. Although interesting, corona is not always good for power systems. There is power loss or corona loss, insulation damage over time, electromagnetic interference, noise pollution, and voltage regulation issues. Corona can be minimized in transmission lines by increasing the conductor diameter, use band-aid conductors, use smooth or polished conductors, maintain sufficient spacing between phases, elevate operating voltage gradually, install corona rings on high voltage equipment. Band-aid conductors are the most common method. They reduce the electric field strength at the conductor surface. So, as you have seen, corona is an electrical discharge around the high voltage conductors. Happens when the electric field exceeds a critical level, produce glow, sound, ozone, and losses. Engineers reduce it using band-aid conductors, spacing, smooth surfaces, and corona links. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, share, and comment for more electrical engineering